I'm Gary Gastelou, and this is a special ACAR report. As you can see, we've been doing a little renovating here at ACAR HQ. Just thought we'd freshen things up a bit, and we went out and got ourselves a new garage door. You ready to see it? Are you ready? All right, here it comes. 1, 2, and there we go. Pretty snazzy, right? And it's not just any old garage door. We based it on the ones found at Laguna Seca Raceway, which is one of our favorite tracks in the world. And well, that's it. We got the new garage door, which we're very psyched about and wanted to share with you. But you know there's going to be plenty more coming soon. So subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and head over to AmericanCarsAndRacing.com every day for the latest automotive and racing news.